If they have the opportunity, optimize them for the sides. If cost is a concern, then optimize them per side of the home. So obviously on the north and the other faces where they're not facing the sun, you really want to take advantage of the U value, reducing the heat loss. I mean, the inside pane of a tri-pane window is so warm that even at minus 20 to minus 25, you're going to be able to sit close to it and not know you're cold. That's the difference between a good 1.2 U value or less and just a good double pane. For the other sides, I still would suggest a tri-pane, but there you might want to start to optimize for solar heat gain depending on the orientation. Now, we're finding that you can do that with overhangs on the design of the home, but again, it's a retrofit, so you might be limited. But that's something that a good window manufacturer can help you do. They can help you optimize. There is a tool, we often use it, it is free, that you can do this on. It's called the Thermal Comfort Calculator with Cardinal Glass. And homeowners or you folks can go on and you can actually put windows with different glazings and find out the effect it's going to have on you.